What I wish I knew at my last dinner party instead of settling for boring snacks. These Cajun keto crab cakes are a game changer. Start by melting butter in a hot pan. Add chopped celery, red and orange bell peppers, shallot, and garlic. Sauté until everything's soft and fragrant, about 10 minutes. In a bowl, whisk egg, mayo, Worcestershire, mustard, and hot sauce. Stir in your veggies, Parmesan, and pork rinds. Now gently fold in lump crab. Shape into 10 patties and freeze for 1 hour. Heat olive oil in a skillet. Fry the crab cakes until golden and crisp. Flip once and only once. Serve hot with a drizzle of Keto Yum Yum sauce. Taste that New Orleans magic without breaking your keto streak.